Hey guys, Little Tree here. Welcome back to another video. Where today we are doing our own server, AngelKraft. Hey bud, I'm joined by Killer Gaming 0606 or Hayden, and also
I'm not Hayden.
I mean Emerson. There's also a bunch of other part of the pack, but they're not playing. They're not joined because you need an angel to join. Well, lightning blast can. Lightning blast.
Right here.
Hayden.
His name is Parker.
Parker, sorry. Parker. Want to join AngelKraft?
Yeah.
Okay, you join.
Is he gonna build? He can test stuff out.
Okay, join Minecraft.
You can test stuff out, right?
Well, Minecraft.
He'll be the tester.
Yeah. Alright, go to multi-page.
AngelKraft.
He will join. Yes! Welcome.
How do you spell advertising?
Wait.
How do you spell advertising?
Set the world spawn. Sorry, you did this wrong. There. Did you pop up? Where'd you?
I went on top of the building.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, Evan, how do you spell advertising?
Set. Alright, here, let me try this again. Did it work?
No.
Alright, you know what? Alright. Let's see if this will work now. Come on.
I'm right outside this area. He's right next to the rule board.
Here.
No.
Will it work now?
No. He's way out there.
Alright. Come
Are you
on.
recording still?
Yeah. Come on, just work. Did you respawn?
Oh yeah.
Oh, come on.
Okay, that was kind of quick.
I'm gonna take away his roof, okay? The top. Alright. Alright, test it. No! You know what? Slash. Alright. Here. Did it work? Yes!
Actually, try it again. Try it again. Just one more time.
Alright, spawn point lightning blast. What? How are you doing that? Die! What? You know what? We're fine. Just keep it. You know what? Who cares?
Just spawn up here. Like, hey, I built a roof on this.
I know. I took it away because then you people did not build it again.
Could we do barrier blocks?
Dude, don't put anything. Because if we have blocks over, then people won't spawn inside.
But I don't think that's the problem.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I have a handle on my feet. Look, at my legs.
Oh yeah, you do. All right, guys, what you do? Wait. Guys, you know what you do in this? All right, so right now, what you have to do, okay?
Make him have Parker watch this.
What you have to do is go in survival for a sec.
Look at my gamer tag. Is it yellow in your screen?
Guys, okay, you have to go in survival.
Okay. I'm in survival.
Alright, so, wrong thing. Okay. So, I got a blaze rod that, for some reason, I enchanted with fortune.
It's diamond sword.
No, it isn't. No, I got it. So go in survival.
Hey, give me my stuff back.
Alright, here, I'm gonna turn keep inventory on. True. All right, see here. Look, grab it. Here, you won't lose your stuff this time. All right, take your stuff. Take your last thing. All right. Boom. You keep. All right, this is a band rod. Okay. You all get a band rod. Okay.
I spawned right on top of it, like on the corner.
All right, who's ready to get their band rod?
Me?
All right. Oh. I don't need this band rod. Dude, don't use the band rod on the hole. Oh, that really helps. Dude, don't kill each other.
I'm sorry, I was just testing mine out. Let me
Just cover it. Cover it.
Okay.
Dude,
Thanks.
cover. Cover up the hole. Dude, cover up the hole. Dude, no. Not like that. Here. Now cover. Don't need the band rod.
Is that your band rod?
No, I got a second one.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna put it in my inventory for safekeeping. Should we here? Hold on.
All right, guys.
Let's
So what you have to do? You have to name your band rod, okay? Just name it band rod. Wait, no, just name it Angel Rod, okay? Name it Angel Rod. How'd you spell it?
ANGELROD.
Okay, good. All right, you guys done?
Yeah.
Both of you? All right, who's ready to fight? Go.
No, I don't want to fight. No. Oh, you're dead.
Yeah, who's in survival? Wait.
No one has to be.
Ha ha.
Do you? No. Stop, Evan. I want to build a minigame.
Sorry. Lightning Blast, you want to rank?
Yeah.
All right, Slash, you're going to be a builder too, okay? Scoreboard.
So, but if your buildings aren't good enough for Evan, he can break them, right? Evan?
Join, yes. Builder.
Stop, Parker. You're making him not. I thought he was included.
All right, there. You guys are both builders, and I'm a redstoner. Okay?
Okay, Evan, make it so you can teleport to mini games if you want.
All right, so that'll take a bit.
Guys, I'm gonna make. Can I make parkour around this lobby area?
Sorry, wrong person.
Can I make parkour around this lobby area?
Sorry.
Oh, I like.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's get lightning block. Or let's build
Parker is gonna make parkour. No, around here, because most every server has parkour around there.
like this.
Yeah. No, but not in here, because we need to make it.
Yeah,
Oh,
you're right. No, not there.
Just around here, not in it. Then no, we're gonna break these walls, son.
No.
No, not in it, around it, like right here.
Like this. Like this.
It's not even gonna be close. No, yeah, it has to be close.
No,
Yeah,
no, it's gonna be here. Oh, that's pretty hard.
Okay, guys, let's get to building a mini game. Cause I'm lagging so bad.
Wait,
Can you make it always day?
this is a minigame. Okay, wait. Game rule. Do daylight cycle. False. False. Okay, look at the sun. It's not moving. Is it moving?
No.
Okay, good.
Oh, guys, I'm lagging so bad. Can we please?
You can do it. You can start. We're just building parkour.
No, I need to make the sign you press.
Dude, we can't do that. That's so hard. Yes, it doesn't work like that. Dude, the commands for that are so hard to make.
What's the one that we can do?
We can do some pressure plates and buttons.
Yeah, sure. Buttons. Can we do buttons behind spines?
No, it's not possible. It'll just break.
Hold on, let me test that out.
You can put a button behind an item frame.
Whoa. Wait,
Bro, no. Oh, here, wait.
White. It's all white still. It's all white still.
No, but that's hard. Here.
What you?
You have to.
Evans, you're supposed to climb up on the door.
I know. Here, wait.
No, it's
Crap.
easy with it. It's easy with the pressure plate and iron.
No, it's harder.
So? It's supposed to.
No. Do this.
But that's not white. Guys, it's lag.
Doesn't
Oh my
matter.
gosh. Guys, stop moving around so much. It's laggy.
Here, wait.
No. Lagging so much. Can we please stop moving around so fast?
I'm shifting.
Still have to shift. So fast.
How is your game lagging by people?
Look.
Oh, God. Dude, you need a better computer.
No, it's not really good.
Your hard drive?
No, I don't have a hard drive.
Yeah, you do.
Not one plugged in.
Not when plugged in?
No, not when that's plugged in.
Yeah, dude, every computer has a hard drive.
It's where my memory card works.
Who's dying?
Okay, can we get on to making the game?
Here, wait, dude, we're gonna build a giant statue of me. Can I build the statue? Oh, wait, no, wait, so,
We
wait.
need just a plain angel.
One upload a day is fine. You post too much.
Me?
So, no, someone commented on my video. She's like, one upload a day is fine. You post too much. I don't care.
Actually, it's kind of good to have that many videos so people can enjoy different things.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Alright, we need to build a giant statue of me.
No, not you. We're gonna build an angel.
No, okay, no, well, no, dude, but I don't know how to build just an angel. We need to build a statue of someone.
Let's
That.
build a statue of me and you, all angels.
And not him.
Yeah, not him. Oh, I have an idea. This would be fun. I love making. Oh my gosh, the lag! It's trying
Dude, stop. No.
No, I love making. Parker, you're building too fast. Gosh.
Parker, stop it.
We're gonna make it like
No, this is the end.
Maybe?
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna make another one. You basically made this whole one yourself.
What?
You basically made this all yourself.
Dude, you helped.
Okay, guys, can we just get to building a mini game?
You can start. Well, I'll be there in a sec.
I need a booster that jumps you up like 100 blocks or something.
Well, that doesn't work. You just need you mean jump boost? Like jump boost for 1 second, so that you can jump whenever you want.
It's like a boost. It goes like,
Yeah, but you have to press the jump button, or else it runs out, and then you have to press the pressure point again.
okay.
You want that?
Yeah.
All right. So where's the mini game?
Oh, it's gonna be on this wall. Like, shoot it from here.
Wait. So we have to build a little pathway first.
Yeah, no, I'll build that.
We're gonna build it out of andesite right here.
Oh.
All right.
I was gonna build that.
Build it 3 blocks
know.
wide to here. Okay.
No, I'll build like a cool fencing design.
Okay.
I think it's super cool.
We're gonna have a couple. This is the best. This is awesome, right?
Okay, do you know how to make it go online so people can join?
No, not now. I don't know how. Not yet.
You can watch it like, but how would you know if you wanted to know?
It's the only way I know right now is using what's it called? LAN. We need a better way. I think you just need to download the server.
Well, no, I don't think it's that.
Yeah, I think you need Bucket to download Bucket. It's a plugin. Dude, this is best so far.
Hold on. I'm making that awesome.
Kill! I died.
I'm making an epic fence. It's not just like a regular fence.
Welcome to AngelKraft.
Oh,